Want to know a simple secret for a youthful glow? A secret that lies within the humble flaxseed? Yes, you heard it right. Flax seeds, a treasure trove of health benefits, can also be your skin's best friend. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY skincare to reveal a simple yet effective flaxseed face mask recipe. First, gather your ingredients. All you need are flax seeds and water. That's right, just two simple ingredients for an easy, at-home facial treatment. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and soak them in half a cup of water. Leave this mixture overnight. This process allows the flax seeds to release their natural gels, which forms the base of our mask. In the morning, you'll find a gelatinous mixture. This is your flaxseed gel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to hydrate and nourish your skin. Now, it's time to apply the mask. Use your fingers or a clean makeup brush to spread the flaxseed gel evenly across your face, avoiding the sensitive eye area. Sit back, relax, and let the flaxseed mask work its magic for about 20 minutes. When the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. As you wash off the mask, gently massage your face in circular motions. This helps in exfoliating your skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing a fresher, younger-looking skin beneath. There you have it, an easy, all-natural DIY flaxseed mask that tightens and tones your skin, giving it a youthful glow. Not only does this mask hydrate and nourish your skin, but it also exfoliates and removes dead skin cells. So next time you're looking for a simple, cost-effective skincare solution, remember this flaxseed mask. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the best skincare ingredients are the simplest ones, hiding in plain sight in our kitchens. So why not give your skin the love it deserves? After all, a healthy, glowing skin is always in.